Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we'll show you how to combine two short videos into one. Whether you're editing for social media, YouTube, or any other project, this simple method will help you merge your clips seamlessly. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, open your video editing software like CapCut and create a new project. Import both videos that you want to combine into the project. This is where you'll start working on your edit. Step 2. Next, drag both videos onto the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Position the clips next to each other so they are lined up properly. Step 3. Now, review the clips and ensure they're synced correctly. You can trim or adjust the length of each clip to match the flow you want. Step 4. After adjusting, check for smooth transitions between the videos. If needed, you can add simple effects or transitions to make the changeover less abrupt. Step 5. Once everything looks good, export the combined video. Choose your desired file format and resolution, then save the final video to your computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials.